Introducing the CKM-450 double head cutting machine. Designed for cutting aluminum and PVC profiles, it features a special alloy aluminum table, robust profile body, and long-lasting electrostatic paint. The machine operates pneumatically and includes a safety guard. It offers free cutting from 15 to 90 degrees both right and left, equipped with a digital reader for precise measurements. The machine is also fitted with adjustable, vibration-isolating rubber feet for stability. Built to meet CE standards, the CKM-450 ensures both efficiency and safety.